Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. My name is Sharang Patil and the topic for today's presentation is basic and derived structures. There are so many ways of transforming a sentence into different forms, but today we will mainly focus onto two types. These are basic structures and derived structures. First, we will see inversion. Most often, inversion is defined as a reversal of position, order, form, or relationship, such as in change in the canonical SVO order, especially the placement of a verb before its subject. That was a Merriam-Webster's dictionary's definition. Its general formula goes as A plus S plus P becomes A plus P plus S. Another definition states that inversion happens when we reverse or invert the normal word order of a structure, most commonly the subject verb order. We will understand it through examples. First, I have never seen such a big lion. Never have I seen such a big lion. Or another one, muffins I will eat tomorrow. It becomes muffins will I eat tomorrow. So that was all about inversion. Now coming on to next slide, we will see fronting. The general formula for fronting is as S plus P plus O or C or A. It becomes O or C or A plus S plus P. So examples for fronting are 1. A large white cat sat in the middle of the bed. It becomes, in the middle of the bed sat a large white cat. The robbers ran out of the bank. It becomes, out of the bank ran the robbers. Now third example, they rushed into the street. It becomes, into the street they rushed. So as far fronting is explained. Now on next slide, we will see negation. Negation is the action or the logical operation of negating or making it negative. This is the Merriam-Webster's dictionary's definition. We will better understand it through examples. First, a brave man alone can do this. It becomes none but a brave man can do this. Another one, I need a book only. It becomes I need nothing but a book. Third one, you have to drink clean water. It becomes you cannot but drink clean water. So this was about negation. Now coming on to next slide, we will see interrogation. Interrogative transformation provides questions that will produce more than a yes-no type question yes-no type answer. It may be used with any of the sentence patterns. To create the transformation, we have to follow some steps. First step is an interrogative word is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Next, position of the subject and verb are reversed. And third one, does, do or did. When it is needed, these three words are added. We will see it through examples. Ritu is happy. The interrogative statement, when forming interrogative sentence, it becomes why is Ritu happy? Here you can see why is added in the beginning of the sentence. The dog is eating the bone. It becomes where is the dog eating the bone? Third one, the grass has grown tall. It becomes how has the grass grown tall? So that was about interrogation. Next, exclamation. Exclamation or exclamatory sentence. Transformation of exclamatory sentence creates a surprise statement. It may be used with all sentence patterns to make the exclamatory transformation. What or how is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Words in the sentences are rearranged as needed. An exclamatory point is placed at the end of the sentence, and that is the must because by exclamation mark we can identify the statement as exclamatory. So that was the definitions. Now we will see examples. The dog eats the bone. What a bone the dog eats. Another one, I consider Shakti intelligent. How intelligent I consider Shakti. The grass grows tall. How tall a grass grows. Exclamation or exclamatory sentences are all about pronunciation. If the pronunciation is right, you can easily identify the exclamatory sentence. Now, omission. Omission or ellipsis is a way in which to improve your writing style by providing the repetition of words previously used in a sentence. Ellipsis is distinguished by the structure having some missing elements. These elements are obvious from the context, hence need not to be raised. Ellipsis is the omission of elements in a sentence. But what is left out is understood from the immediate environment. This definition is given in Thornbury 2006 edition, page number 73. So we will better understand it through examples. Examples for omission are as below. First, the dog that Mary is petting is very fluffy. It becomes, the dog Mary is petting is very fluffy. The water that I drank was very cold. It becomes, the water I drank was very cold. The cat that Mary is petting can be dangerous. The cat Mary is petting can be dangerous. From these three examples, we can understand that unnecessary words are skipped. So that was all about omission. Now on next slide, we will see tag questions. An interrogative clause which is tagged on the end of a declarative clause and which acts as a request or confirmation. That is a question tag. So we can better understand it through examples. First, Helen is from London. When forming a tag question, it becomes as Helen is from London, isn't she? Archie plays the piano. It becomes Archie plays the piano, doesn't he? Third one, she isn't very happy about her new job. It becomes she isn't very happy about her new job, is she? So while observing these three sentences, we can see that at the end the clause is added. Isn't she, doesn't he, or is she? These clauses are added when forming a question tag. So that was all about my presentation, and here I take your leave. Thank you.